Right, so just panic.
Yeah.
What we're pressing? Just the brake?
If you panic?
Yeah.
Well, just do as much as you can.
Okay.
And if you do panic, I'll jump in and take control.
Go slow as a snail.
Well, no, we go at appropriate speed.
Okay.
Just do as best you can. I'm expecting to be amazing. Of course I'm not, otherwise you wouldn't be having a lesson.
Right, okay.
And we learn from making mistakes.
Right.
So, get the car started up. We'll do it on the full instruction in that case, for now. So I'm not expecting you to remember it all.
I have got good memory. Let's hope.
So, we're moving off from the side of the road. Sorry to interrupt, but if you're learning to drive, you need to become a member and get access to a Learn to Drive course. Absolutely comprehensive videos, small fee each month, videos added all the time. Learn to drive just using our videos. Prepare, observe and move, clutch down.
I surely need to...
No, you do get the car prepared. You can't signal your intention to go if you can't go. So get the car prepared, clutch down first gear, find the biting point. Yep, come to the biting point. Excellent, hold that foot there. Now, we're observing, making sure it's all okay. Get to this mirror, happy with that? Indicate.
Yeah.
Left, right even. Oh God, got me at it now. Happy with that?
Yeah, right.
Handbrake off, set a bit of gas. Remember the 2000 revs? Just enough so you can hear it. A little bit of power with your right foot. Okay, now very sophisticated. With your left foot, that's enough. No more power with your right foot. It's left foot now. Just do enough to make it moved in and freeze. Look, check over your shoulder. Okay, left foot, left foot, left foot, hold. 3, 2, 1. Really good. Get rid of the indicator. It's done its job. We'll run it in first gear just for now.
Yeah, okay.
And we'll just go to the end, okay? Just checking mirrors out, moving away. Now we're going to be turning left, so mirror check, centre, left, pop that up by the way, signal left, off the gas. We see we don't have to do the gear change here because we're already in first gear. For now, rolling up, happy with what you see? So your left hand from the top, turn, one full turn, in, a little bit of gas, and then right hand's going to come up and power it away. That was really nice. Are we okay behind us?
Yeah.
Let's go around the nice and smooth and slowly, a little bit faster for me. Up the second gear. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Gas. 3, 2, 1. Just remember to take your foot off the gas pedal because the power's got nowhere to go. Check your mirrors. Okay, come out.
Yeah.
Okay, that way. So there's always more than one place to check. Just watch the vehicle come through before you come in. There you go. A little bit of gas. I'm going to stay on this road and we're going to change our circuit into the little left circuit up there. Or should we do? Oh no, we'll keep our same circuit. Checking your mirrors centre right, because you're coming out of your road, you've got to check that way and check behind you, because danger can come from both places.
Yeah.
We're going to be turning left. This is a turn in. We want this about 8 miles an hour, because you're not giving way to anything here. So mirror, mirror signal. 1, 2, 3. Signal now. Signal. That's it. Off the gas. Slow it down a little bit. And turn it in. One full turn. Then turn it back. Really good. New road. Move away from the curve slightly. New road, new mirrors. Who's left me? Who's joined me? Check your mirrors. We're coming out. Go to the end of the road. We're going to turn left. That was really well done for a first attempt. Really well done for a first attempt. Follow the road down. The magical hovering car. Magic. Check your mirrors back in then. So, now we've got to throw the gear change in. Bring yourself across a bit here, Madison. There we go. We're aiming straight. We're going to be turning left. So we go mirror, signal left. Off the gas.
Is it first gear?
Gently on the brake. I'll talk you through it. Gently on the brake. No, not that foot. Not that foot. Actually, I'll stop you there. So, your left foot came across.
Oh yeah, because I need to get off the...
Because that's going to do brake and clutch down at the point of turn.
Okay.
Right, I'm going to put you into neutral. Clutch down first gear for me. Come to the bite. That's it. Come to the bite. Turning left and that's it. Turn it in. Wheels down there. That's it. We'll just hold it there. Hold it there. Just brake and clutch down for me. Just. The brakes are very sophisticated. Come to the biting point then. Straighten the wheel then as you're coming off. That's it. Straighten the wheel. You're going on the pavement that way, away from the curb. That's it. Just check your mirrors before you come off there. A little bit of gas then. That's it. Try and stay on your side of the road, please. That's it. That's it. There's a lot going on, isn't there? Second gear then, off the gas, clutch down, second gear. 3, 2, 1, check your mirrors and out you come. This is really nice, out you come. See if you can pass parallel and see if you can be a door width. If the door swings open, it's not going to be a problem.
Yeah.
So even now at this stage, we're thinking about where you're going to put the car to have the least amount of risk. Because you're going to someone else's road, it's risk. So you have to position it the least amount of risk. little bit of gas.
So I don't need to change gear here, do I?
No, we're going to keep this phase. We're just getting the technique and the hazarding really nailed in. End of the road, turning left. And we go. Mirror, a bit close to that car, I see. Signal. Off the gas. That's it. Keep it, look at the point of turn. Gently on the brake. Through in the gear change. Clutch down first gear. That's it. Turn. Let's brake and stop. That's it. There we go. So we're slowing down. Because you stopped braking, it looked like you're going to pull out in front of that car.
Yeah.
Because you weren't reducing the speed down to the giveaway line. Doesn't matter. Biting point. I'm helping you here. A little bit of gas. I've got the clutch. Turn. Now, so you've got to stand on your side. Because you haven't got the point of turn, you're going to make it difficult to stay on your side of the road. Turn left, please, Madison.
What's going on?
It's okay, you're still on your side of the road. They're still there. I'm doing the clutch. You give me some gas. Turning it in and turning it out. A little bit of power. Move away from the curb then. That's it. Gas and go. And up to second gear.
You know what I don't like? The clutch.
Oh well. Second gear. You're fine. Clutch down. Second gear. Off the gas pedal. 3, 2, 1. You're doing like the clutch. You're doing it really well. Is it because there's more than one thing going on?
Yeah.
So you notice when it was in first gear, it was quite simple.
Yeah.
Put the clutch into it. It's all you're doing extra to make sure you're looking before you bring it back in, because that van can move off you and move in front of it. Could happen. So we're always checking for things that could happen. We'll go past that car. Just check your mirrors out. Go a little bit faster. I want to show that person I'm there. And we're coming through. Check your mirrors there. Now back in. So make sure you see the vehicle going past you before you check your mirror and then just follow it. We're going to follow the road down this time. Now look at your road position. Look in your left mirror. How far are you from the curb?
Quite far.
Yep. Try and get the hands nice and straight as well. That's it. Back quarter to 3 is ideal. Yeah, level. Because if your hand's up there, this is why you're going to the left. If you put your hand up, your hand's trying to get back to straight.
Yeah.
That's it. This is good. Keep it this speed. No faster than this. Just check your left mirror. You're about to hit the curb. Why do you think you're getting too close to the curb? Because you're not looking at it.
Yeah.
Exactly. That. Just get used to looking around. Ease off the gas. So you don't have to run the car. Hand comes up. There's a little bit of turn. That's it. Just a little bit of turn. And then we start to straighten it up. Mirror, signal left. That's it. We'll stay in second gear. Just slow it down till the point of turn. Just a little bit of brake. Okay, here we go. We're turning left. Go. 1 full tail off the brake. No, you stayed on the brake. No, we'll stay there. Okay. That's it. God, everywhere. There's cars everywhere today. Turning left then.
Moving off.
There we go. Turning it in and turning it out. A little bit of gas. Up into second gear, please. Second gear. 3, 2, clutch down. Together. And 3, 2, 1. So a little glance in your left mirror tells you exactly how far you are away. How long does it take to glance across? Not long at all, is it?
Basically, not
milliseconds, isn't it? So all that information you've gathered from one little look.
Yeah.
So anyone that finds themselves in a wonky road position is basically not checking their side mirrors.
That's me.
No, you're not. You're doing it. Do very well. End of the road, turning left, please. So we go mirror and mirror, signal, off the gas. We'll change to go at the right time. Gently on the brake. For left, right foot. Clutch down first gear. Keep braking there. Clutch down first gear. And turn to the left. Turn. That's it. Roll it around. Bite. A little bit of gas. That's it. Hold it there. I'm turning it. Still got to turn it back. There we go. A little bit of gas. End of the road. Keep it first gear. That was very good. Mirror, signal left. Easing off. Turn. That's it. Just slightly missing the point of turn. Okay, we'll go a couple more laps, then we'll talk about what we've done.
I'd rate that solid 6.
I would rate it near an 8.5. As in terms of naturally got it straight away. Yeah.
That's quite impressive.
Now, you are one of nature's, I reckon, perfectionists. You want to get it right straight away.
Yeah, I do.
It's brilliant. Love it. I am as well.
Driving tips that will excel. Parallel parking ain't so tough.